We're taping. Oh my goodness, who's that?
Good girl. Big people eating. It's hard to work that tongue, isn't it?
Not so sure about that.
Good girl. Let's try it upside down, huh? Hi. Smack. It's good stuff though, isn't it? I think you like it. She definitely likes it. Frankly, I think it's kind of gnarly myself.
It's got a strange smell to it, I've noticed. But I think the addition of the apple juice might make it a little sweeter.
Of course, our baby has a strange smell to her too, so...
The two are not unrelated. All right.